An upcoming mission to study the development of Atlantic hurricanes using unmanned aerial vehicles based at the NASA Wallops Flight Facility was discussed during a public presentation at the facility's Visitor Center. The Hurricane and Severe Storm Sentinel, HS3, is a 5-year mission specifically targeted to investigate the processes that underlie hurricane formation and intensity change in the Atlantic Ocean basin.
If we understand more about the storms and we can predict that better, we can get people out of harm's way. We can not evacuate people when they don't need to evacuate, and we can, save human lives by making sure that everyone's informed and has the best information possible.
HS3 will use 2 NASA Global Hawk unmanned aerial vehicles, one with an instrument suite geared toward measurement of the environment and the other with instruments suited to inner core structure and processes. The aircraft are capable of flight altitudes greater than 55,000 feet and flight durations of up to 30 hours. More than 200 people will be involved in preparing and supporting the aircraft, flight planning and aircraft coordination, and conducting the science data collection.
It's the volume of data that really makes it unique. And the scientists are all going to be working together and communicating and even showing real-time data during the mission to help them understand what they're seeing and communicate while they're doing their evaluation. And all this stuff is going to be fed into models that could help us better predict storms.
In addition to the 2012 mission, the project will also be conducted from Wallops in 2013 and 2014, providing sustained measurements over several years due to the limited sampling opportunities in any given hurricane season.
Well, Wallops gives us great access to the Atlantic storm basin. So we can not only fly in the Caribbean and in the Gulf and look at storms, but we can fly all the way out as far as off the coast of Africa to look at the Saharan air layer and be able to loiter there for almost 10 hours if we start from Wallops. So Wallops becomes a very great location for us to be able to reach storms and to be able to have the maximum amount of time on those storms. Well, the better we understand them, the better we can be prepared. So if we have a better understanding that the storm is going to intensify, or as I said, not, then they can be better prepared. But the more information we have and the more we understand the actual dynamics of the storm, the better we can help people be prepared.